Welcome to How To with Husqvarna, where we show you how to take care of some of your favorite Husqvarna products. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly replace the battery on your Husqvarna riding lawnmower or zero-turn mower. Before you begin, refer to your owner's manual for details including the personal protective equipment needed to service your Husqvarna mower. If you need to locate an owner's manual, please visit Husqvarna.com. Please use caution when handling any electrical power source. Do not allow any conductors to short between the positive and negative battery terminals while working with these components. Raise the seat or hood to access the battery. Locate the positive and negative terminals on the battery. Slide the positive battery terminal cover back from the battery terminal. First disconnect the black, negative, battery cable. Then disconnect the red, positive, battery cable. Remove the battery strap, if equipped. Carefully remove the battery from the machine. Use a voltage meter or digital multimeter set to DC voltage to check battery voltage. Place the black and red probes on the black and red terminals of the battery, black to black and red to red. If the battery voltage is 12.4 to 12.6, it is fully charged and likely in good condition. 12.1 to 12.3 should be able to start your engine and means the battery is either partially discharged or in poor health. 12 volts and below means the battery is discharged or potentially damaged. If the battery voltage remains low after charging, the battery should be replaced. A battery load tester will provide better troubleshooting of battery health. Connect the positive test lead to the positive battery terminal and the negative test lead to the negative battery terminal. Engage the load to the battery, the button or switch on the load tester, and check the reading on the tester to see if the battery is good, requires a charge, or needs to be replaced. If you do not have access to a battery load tester, voltmeter, or digital multimeter, please visit your local Husqvarna dealer to have your battery checked. Locate the positive and negative terminals on the battery and machine. Carefully place the battery in its compartment. Install the battery strap, if equipped, to secure the battery in the compartment. Connect the red, positive, lead wire to the positive battery terminal. Install a bolt and nut, then tighten the fasteners firmly. Connect the black, negative, battery cable to the negative battery terminal. Install a bolt and nut and then tighten the fasteners firmly. Slide the positive battery terminal cover over the connected positive battery terminal. To keep your battery in the best health for the longest period of time, it should be stored someplace with a steady room temperature during the winter months. This can be done while in the machine, or the battery can be removed from the machine to be stored. Applying a battery tender in conjunction with proper storage will give you the best chance to keep your battery at peak performance for years to come. Attach the battery tender to the battery terminals. This will help maintain the voltage during the winter. The indicator status will show that the battery is charging. A battery tender is a great way to make sure that your equipment is properly charged and maintained. We hope this video helped you understand how to properly service your Husqvarna equipment. Remember, proper maintenance will help you maximize the performance and extend the life of your Husqvarna mower. To learn more about keeping all your equipment on the cutting edge of performance, check out all our How To with Husqvarna videos online. And thanks for choosing Husqvarna.